In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can design or create images using Canva. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now the latest version of Canva comes with AI tools, and you can make your creations or create AI creations straight from this app on your smartphone. To do so, just head over to this AI option, which is here. It is a new one. Alternatively, you can head over on top here and then tap on your menu, and from here you will see we have Canva AI. If you tap on it, it will take you to this AI template where you can begin to make your creation. Now ask it to create anything. For instance, I've just asked it to create an image of a futuristic warplane. Now from here, you can now generate your image by just tapping on this button or icon, and then the creation will begin. And within some seconds, our image should be out. And look at that. Canva has just gone ahead and generated for us 4 images of warplanes straight from Canva. And look at that. Here are our images. Now you can download these images straight to your phone by just tapping on this download option. And this will go ahead and give you an option to share your image. If you want to use your image or edit it, you can also use this edit option. And here now you can begin editing your image straight from Canva. So that's how you generate AI images using Canva. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.